Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today is the last one I'm doing today. This one comes from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Chukazanmai Sura Akasaka Sura Tanmen? Or Tanmen? That looks fancy. I like that. It's vibrant color. Ooh, vibrant. Let's get it on! Okay. We will need the package in order to quote-unquote get it on. So, there's the lid. There's the sachet. This one. Oh yeah. This one. Noodle block. Noodle block. Noodle block isn't listening. Come on, Noodle block. There you are. Drop everything in. You might be like, why do you do it that way? Because that's how I do things. That's how I gotta do it. Got it. 290 mils of water. Hold it down with the fork. And we're good. This one's going for 4 minutes. And let's do our quote of the day from Momofuku Speaks. This is a tome of knowledge and inspirational thoughts from the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 254. Had I become a chef, I would have been first rate, no matter what the style. This I can say with full confidence. Some of his quotes are just like, yeah? If I would have done it, let me tell you, I would have done it perfectly. But yeah, I've never done I was mentioning in the last episode I had to deal with a card dispute. I've never done that before. Mainly because I got no communication from something that I ordered. Nothing at all. It sucks. I kept telling him, hey, let's just talk it out, figure it out, and then we can get it taken care of. I don't want to go through any kind of like junk with you. I just want to get it done. That's all. Not looking for an argument, not looking for ridiculousness. Just found a lot of ridiculousness. So hopefully that'll pan out. Yeah, it looks freaking rad outside. So I'm going to start copying files to my desktop. Then I think I'm going to take the kids outside because there's construction going on. We're going to go look at that. And earlier we used paint, like the bingo dauber things, and a bunch of this like butcher paper. I found parchment in the mailroom that was free a while back. I tried that, didn't work, all piled up. But the butcher paper worked, so we went out and made some wrapping paper for presents I got for my wife. So that went well. Made eggs, baked some chicken. Yeah, I think it was a fruitful morning. Got the laundry. I gotta put laundry in the dryer. Unfortunately, it's the day before my wife's birthday, and it sounds like she's having like an absolutely crappy day. So I'm hoping that goes better. Nobody deserves to have a crappy day any day of their birthday week, let alone Eve. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, a bunch of protests going on in Minnesota, in Minneapolis. I really don't know much about that. There's some cop being a moron. And they got the Derek Chauvin case going on. That's why the only reason anybody cares is because that's going on, the George Floyd thing. If If that wasn't going on, there could be protests, riots, you name it. Nobody would know. Because right now it's a hot button issue. But it won't be for long. They should just fix things. Police brutality. Let's fix that. Okay, good. It's fixed. Gun issue. You need to fix that. Okay, it's fixed. Next issue. Some people are going to be happy. Some people won't. But it's done. It's settled freaking business. Let's just move on from it, you know? I don't know how that would work. It probably would work horribly. I would be a very good president, though. I think. Don't you? I'm a nice guy. I'm fair. Nice guys don't finish last, dude. Never. Alright, here's some goo. Oh, what do we have here? Is this just black vinegar? No, it's black vinegar oil. I knew it was something along those lines, though. That's not bad. It was funny because the little liner notes about this, it's like, oh, it's like this and this and this and the other thing. I'm thinking like, are you sure? Because this is... I always thought this was like a fusion of Japanese and Chinese. Because that black vinegar, that definitely screams that. At least I thought. Cheers. Yeah. Strong flavor. Everything before this today has been kind of tame. Ooh. Wow, that I like. I'm a big fan of Tanmen. Tanmen. Yeah. All right. The last one of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is the one they said stir it very well. Well, we got most of it out. There's only a little pinch. A little pinch. Yeah. Ooh, this is a goopular egg. Let's see if this egg came out pretty good. I hope it did. Whoa, whoa. Mind your pints and quarts, but mind your goopy eggs. Jeez. Alright, we got some spring onion. I don't want spring onion on my egg. Fool! I'm gonna go with black sesame seed on this. A little sweet to me. I think I'm about there. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Hi Daisy, hi Wubsy, how you doing? There. Yeah. There we go. I made eggs today and I'm damn proud. There's one left for tomorrow. There's one egg left for tomorrow. Yeah. All right. It's not funny. It's not fun. Oh, come on, you stupid thing. It's like this cord is really long, but it's like I want a longer one. Here we go. Abruptly close. No, that's too close, isn't it? Oh, I see what's going on here. Yeah. And a year. And a year. Here, let's change the song. No. No. Yes. And much in the way of time itself, I bid you adieu. It's been fun today, cooking in front of your eyeballs. Far flung in the future, beyond the sea of stars. Today it's sunny, tomorrow it may rain fire. But just remember, as the Ramen Raider, I bring you enjoyment and happiness each and every minute of your lives. So, think about that the next time you step on an animal. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.